Chef, I think the notice that our plans are varied. What happened to the plans? I don't know, but I can only notice that some plans are varied.
Hey bro, what happened to the ground?
I don't know, bro. What have you noticed?
I noticed some crack in the ground.
So thirsty. Hey, can I have your water? Why does the water look so weird today? I don't want to drink it.
Sis, the water seems strange today.
Oh sis, don't mind it. Let's just continue what we're doing.
Why it's so hot in here? I don't know, but the temperature has changed.
Papa, look at the smell. It's getting clear. And there's something going on it.
There's nothing to worry about, Anak. Mount Potok has always been like that. Now go play with your friends.
Okay. Becky, take a look at this. We have an increase in volcanic tremors and sulfur dioxide levels on the spike. This isn't normal activity.
Think it's the parents in rocks?
I don't think. Dino, notify the authorities. We have to act fast.
Hello?
Hello, this is the Mayor's Secretariat speaking.
I am Secretary Mayor. What do you want?
Dr. Escon would like to have an appointment with the mayor. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will tell him right now.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Dr. Gaston would like to talk to you.
Where is she? She's outside. She's waiting for you, sir.
What will you?
Mayor, I'm here to discuss the concerning situation regarding Mount Puto. We've been closely monitoring the volcano and have observed many signs that suggest a potential eruption. Specifically, we've seen increased seismic activity, ground deformation, elevated gas emissions, increased heat flow, and visible changes. The evidence is overwhelming. Mount Puto is dangerously close to erupting.
What should we do, Doc?
We recommend we take the following steps immediately. Increase alert levels. Activate emergency response plans. Inform and prepare the public. Evacuation plans. Our residents' safety is our number one concern. We need to move quickly and firmly to keep them safe.
We're saying we need to evacuate by higher count.
Yes, Mayor. If we wait too long, it might be too late.
Thank you for informing me. Good afternoon, villagers of Mount Putot, Barangay de Motobo. I would like to have your attention, please, because the mayor would like to have an announcement.
Good afternoon, villagers. We have already bad news. Mount Putot has shown a possibilities of an eruption. For your safety, we must evacuate immediately.
No! We've lived here all our lives. The volcano has never erupted. Why now?
We know you have concerns, but the evidence is clear, and staying here is too dangerous.